We are pleased to show you the 2016 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, electronic stability control, security system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.